Hey guys, we are back with another holiday inspired makeup look. Of course this is for Christmas again because we are so close to the 25th. Oh my god, I haven't even started my Christmas shopping yet. I need to get this done. You know when you leave it till last minute and you're like, oh my god, what am I going to do? That is me. I think I've literally got like 3 people's presents and I have a whole stack more to go and get, so I think we all need to do our Christmas shopping because I'm sure it's not just me that forgot. Jokes, I'm probably the only disorganized person here. Let's be real. I actually got so many different compliments when I wore this makeup look the other day, so you guys should definitely try it out if you want some good compliments before Christmas. Anyway, with the makeup, we've put a base down. Now we are going to do the eyeshadow. So we are going to start with a really beautiful deep yellow shade and putting that all over the eye as our transition shade because who needs a boring natural transition color? We need something a bit more fun, vibrant, festive, so we've put that all over the eye and now we're going to use our green. I've mixed the shimmery darker shade and the matte darker shade so we get a nice depth, and we're putting that in the eye socket with a really small blending brush, just backwards and forwards and bringing it onto the mobile moving eyelid. You guys will see in just a second how far I've brought it down. We are leaving a little bit of a gap against the not my lower lashes, my normal eyelashes, because we are going to use a really bright kind of aqua green on the eyes, which will look really pretty. We want to make the inner corners of our eyes pop with the yellow as well, and now we are going to use that beautiful light green. So just placing it where you've left the skin bare, it's going to catch in the light so nicely when you turn, having the lighter and the darker green together. So you guys can see I've just blended them together now. I'm so excited for festive makeup look. I've already started wearing it at work and everyone's getting in the Christmas spirit. I absolutely love this time of year. Almost as much as I love Halloween. But I think that's because I get free candy in Halloween. And who doesn't like that? Before I forget, I just wanted to double check that you've all entered my Christmas giveaway because it is for a really juicy, good surprise goodie box for Christmas. So I'll leave the video down below, click on the link, and then you guys can enter it for Christmas 2018. We are in, yeah. For a second I thought we're in 2019 already, and my heart just started beating really quickly. I was like, what? I'm getting older so quick? But makeup. Oh, stop getting distracted, Chloe. So with the eyes, you guys saw that we added the yellow in the inner corner. We smoked out the lower lash line with that beautiful green, and then we've added some stunning wet glitter. Basically, the glitter dries and it will stay in place like all day. It's so good. It's like a glitter paint, I would say. And it's a stunning forest green color. So we've put it where you'd put your cut crease, I guess. But what I've done is blended it out a little bit with the bristles. So I've made it so it's a little bit thicker than normal because we really want that sparkle to pop when you turn on the light. And my foundation, yes, I'm so pale, but I thought boring. You guys have seen my foundation routine so many times, so I'm using my all-time favorite, the BareMinerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Fear. I've got my MAC powder over top, and now we are shaping that big jolly round face of mine. So I've used this MAC face powder actually. I've really liked using the NW50. It's a really dark face powder and I use it for shaping my face because it's not really warm but it's definitely not crazy cool toned either. So I shape my face with that, and then I've used the medium dark Mineralise powder. Yes, I've got old school packaging. I've got so many of these, like literally I don't know why I bought so many. I hoarded this powder because it's so good. So I use it to really warm up my skin for a bit of like a beach babe look because like I said, I'm so pale. It's literally sad. I'm like a pasty ghost 24/7. So I've warmed up my skin with that and then added a tiny bit of this Milani blush to give me some colour because good knows I need it. And then highlight, of course, we are going to be using one of my all-time favorites. I haven't used this in so long though. If you guys go back to my old school YouTube videos, you'll see that I use the Soft and Gentle MAC Mineralise highlight powder, I guess, all the bloody time. But I've only just found it in my drawer again, so we're going to use that today. And then we do need to shape my nose. As I've said in previous videos, I have a Squidward nose. I need to give it a bit more shape, let's be real. So we're giving a little bit of warmth down the side of the nose, and voila, slim. I look beautiful. I'm just joking, but I do like to shape it a little bit more. Brows, let's fix these brows of mine. Basically, what happens when I put my foundation on, my eyebrows literally turn grey because my foundation's so pale, it gets stuck in my eyebrow hairs and then it makes me look like a crazy grey-haired lady. So, I am going to add this brow powder. This is a Rimmel brow powder. I will leave the colour down below because for the life of me, I cannot remember it this second and I don't know where I've put it. So, I'll put all the different products down below for you guys. But I've just defined my brows, made them nice and natural, nothing too crazy. We've got definition but nothing thicker than normal. And we need to add some liner. So this is the first time I've used this liner in a really long time in the waterline. It's just a really warm kind of, I don't know, like a mossy warm green. I feel like I'm describing the colour really badly. But we've put that in the waterline to define the eyes, and then we're adding this mascara. This is my favourite Bobbi Brown mascara ever. You guys saw that I was like, yes. The wand is just so good for thickening your lashes, which is great, especially because I didn't want to put false lashes on and I didn't want to do winged eyeliner. I wanted it nice and easy for you guys and for myself as well, let's be real. So we are using a thickening mascara. And guys, I have a secret to tell you. This is my all-time favourite lipstick now. I have never been so impressed straight off the bat with a lip colour. I wore this lipstick, I'm not even joking you, for 10 hours on this day. 10 hours! And it didn't move, and it was glossy, and it was a lip lacquer, and I was just dying at how amazing it is. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my rambling Christmas makeup look. I loved using these bright colours and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If I don't see you before Christmas, Merry Christmas. But I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye!